Hey Tyler, I dare you to shoot yourself and not make a face.
I think I can do it.
Alright, show the camera that it has BBs.
Alright, it has BBs. You see them? There they are. Here I go.
Now cock it.
You're only 20. Dude, actually freaking shot! Dude, yes it did! Dude!
It shot! It actually shot! Just to let you know, that was supposed to be fake and it actually shot. What was it? You already got one.
Dad, let me see it.
Show the camera.
Right there's where I got shot.
You weren't supposed to really shoot it.